Hey guys, it's Darius, the co-founder of Dubb, and if you're looking to embed videos in your own websites or landing pages, Dubb offers this solution for every single video. So check this out and see how you can add these different types of videos to your own websites and landing pages by Dubb. Here's how the Embed tab works on Dubb. If you would like to embed a video onto your own websites or landing pages, visit the Embed tab. We provide two different embedding options. One is a standard embed, which will show up like this on a page. As you scroll the page, the video goes with it. The other is a widget style code, so you can switch to a widget embed. This is an example of a widget embed, where as I am scrolling through the page here, the video will follow me. Now, in order to utilize these, there's a few options. You can choose to autoplay the video. You can choose to have a call to action displayed on top of the video after it's finished. You can just choose to display controls and choose to display on mobile or not. So once you've decided which type of video you want to embed and the options you want to use, copy the embed code. Now you're going to go into the builder section of your website or landing page. You're going to add a code block to your page, HTML code. Then you're going to paste the code of your choice. Now, depending on which version of the embed code you pasted, save the changes, and then you will see the video embedded onto your websites and landing pages. Now, at the end of an embedded video, that is where your call to action button can be displayed. However, be aware, only link-based website link type CTAs can appear on top of videos at the end.